In this example, we're going to be spinning a spinner with 5 different colors 10 times. With each spin, we're hoping to land on a yellow. That defines our success. So our success for any one trial will be landing on a yellow. And our failure for any one trial or spin is going to be any other color. So I can instead just say, just not yellow. This is what makes it binomial. I've now brought it down to just 2 possible outcomes, either landing on that yellow or landing anywhere else. Now I'm going to come up with my other values that I need to put into my binomial probability formula. There's also some great ways to do this with technology. I'll point you in that direction at the end of the video. Now the number of trials is the number of times I repeat this. Well, I'm spinning it 10 different times, so n is equal to 10. So that probability in a single spin is going to be the number of ways we can come up with a yellow. There's only one yellow spot out of the total ways that we can come up with an outcome, and there are 5 of those spots to land on altogether. So p is equal to 1/5. You can also express that as 0.2. The probability of a failure is going to be anything else. So 1 minus p is equal to q, or you can see that all of the other colors, there are 4 of them out of the 5. So that q is kind of like the rest. So that's going to be a 4/5, or you can express that as a 0.8. Now this x is our random variable. It's determined by chance, and x is the number of successes or the number of yellows. The question says, what's the probability of landing on a yellow 4 times? So for this particular problem, we're going to define x to be equal to 4. Let's go ahead and put this into our formula. So as I walk through this formula, the probability of landing on yellow 4 times, well, the first thing that I've got to do is decide what 4 of the 10 are going to be a yellow. And that's what this combination does for us. So I've got 10 different spins, and I'm going to choose 4 of those spins to be a yellow. Now, as I do my probability, I'm going to go ahead and take the probability of landing on a yellow, which is 1/5 or 0.2. And I'm going to raise that to the number of successes. You'll also see this number of successes expressed as x. So let's see, I've got yellow, I want that 4 times. And then I've got the probability of getting a failure or not a yellow, and that's going to be 4/5 raised to the rest of the spins. If I'm trying for 4 yellows, out of the 10, that means that I've got 6 non-yellows. So that's going to be a 6. We can also express this number of failures as n, the total number of spins, minus the number of yellows. Now I'm ready to put this into my calculator. I'm going to do the combination first. So I want parentheses. There are 10, and then I'm going to go to math, followed by probability, and then arrow down to that combination, which is 3, enter, and it's going to be 10 choose 4. I'm going to arrow over and then parenthesis, and then I want another set of parentheses, 1/5, so 1 divided by 5. I'm going to use my caret key to raise this to the number of yellows that I want. That's going to be a 4. Arrow over and then parenthesis 4/5. Parenthesis, this one's to the number of not yellows. Well, out of 10, that's going to leave me with 6 that are not yellow. And I end up with 0.088, or about an 8.8% chance of landing on a yellow. Take a look at this video. It's going to show you how to also do this using technology, which is really, really fast and easy. I hope this was helpful. You've got this.